Hi, so welcome to this Lambda building series. In this video, we are going to generate on Lambda to get how many unique items in there. So let's say this is steps. It will show me which unique steps is there and repeated. So like if you can see that this is wireframe and it's repeated 5 times. Service blueprint, it's repeated 11 times. So we will start from scratch. So to find the unique items, so we can use that unique, and then just pass the data. So it gives us this unique list. So that is unique type count. So for this one we can say count if, and then range is this one, and then criteria is this one, right? So that's counting to 5. Now we can do this drill and down. That will not be dynamic when we are going to build this lambda. So we can just say that map function pass this data. So this map takes the second argument is lambda or array. So in this case we need to add a lambda. So this first argument of this lambda will be one item at a time. So we can just wrap this up into this lambda current type. So in this section it will be current type, and in this section that will be this e4 and then hash. So in this one will not be e4 hash, this will be this, and it's give me this counting result. So this is the second step. Now we need to combine these two. So combined, that is choose and then 1 and 2. The first step is this one, and the next one is this one, and it combine all of this data into one lambda. Now we want to generate the lambda out of this. So if you watch my previous video, you know how to do this. So I'll just show you the end result. Now we need to get this counting. So we can just use this count if, and then first parameter is this range. So that is this input data, and then this unique counts. So that will give me the count result. Now we can just combine, choose, and both of this. So one is this one and another one is this one. Now if we combine this lambda, the final lambda will look like this, and that's the final output of this particular small lambda. So we can just save this, and we can just say okay, control F3, new name, and then frequency count, and save that to this. Now we can just invoke that one, frequency count, and then pass the data. So that's it. Thank you for watching.